Do you need assets that deliver industrial sci-fi vibes while staying ultra optimized? The Sci-Fi Station Pack by Dallas is your key to building immersive interiors with just 6 materials and maximum flexibility. Hey everyone, Luke here from Tudor, and today I'm super excited to unveil our latest release, the Tudor Sci-Fi Station Pack. Whether you're constructing space station, industrial labs, or future-ready hallways, this pack is engineered for performance and packed with character. You're getting 48 unique meshes, all purpose-built for interior sci-fi environments, and expertly textured using just 6 trim sheet-based materials. This keeps your scene lightweight, clean, and incredibly efficient. So efficient, in fact, that the entire blend file asset library comes in just over 100 megabytes. And to help you add instant storytelling and detail, we've also included 14 sci-fi decals for warnings, labels, screens, and more. The standard version includes a full Blender asset library with all 48 organized and ready-to-use assets, an Unreal Engine 5 project file with fully built demo level, as well as all the FBX files, high-res textures, and GLB formats for max compatibility across your favorite 3D tools. If you want to go beyond, the deluxe version includes everything in the standard pack, plus a ready-to-render Blender Lite setup that includes the 3D Tudor BlendCraft's Compositor add-on, making the post-processing and visual polishing a breeze. On top of that, you'll get some additional pre-built sections within the blend file. So, about our Starving Artist campaign. This pack was created by Dallas, and it marks his first release as part of our Starving Artist campaign, a 3D Tudor initiative designed to give independent artists a chance to thrive by giving them 50% of the revenue. This pack, by the way, includes assets with transparent windows, perfect for showcasing backgrounds or exterior environments. It pairs especially well with our previous Background Mountain pack by Rosefield, another talented artist from our Starving Artist campaign, giving you the perfect combo for building layered cinematic sci-fi scenes. Dallas might be new to our campaign, but his artistic skill is clear. The creative use of UVs and trim materials in this pack is next level. By picking up this asset pack, you're not only leveling up your 3D environment work, you're directly supporting an emerging artist and helping build more sustainable future for stylized content creators. And as always, if you end up using this pack in your project, we'd love to see what you create. Join 3D Tudor Discord, where a growing community of almost 1,000 artists and developers share their work, exchange feedback, and support each other through the creative growth. Artists such as Dallas, Rosefield, and the rest of our creative team are active in the server, and we'd be thrilled to welcome you into the fold. Within the server, we also run giveaways for free packs and tools, so make sure to check it out. Thanks again for supporting Dallas and our Starving Artist campaign. Until next time, happy modeling everyone!